It's raining like hell. And there was lightning just now. I'm crazy. I'm actually out here trying to get it off. I don't want to watch it from my room. None of that. Woo! It is a downpour. Woo! She's coming down. Ooh, I missed it by a long shot. Damn it! I at least want to get few strikes of lightning. Please. Oh, as my grandfather calls it, electrons are bumping into each other and canceling each other out. Brr, 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 it's nothing but good as hell. Good thing I'm not made out of sugar. I would have melted like the Wicked Witch of the East. Ooh, sugar, sugar. Oh, come on, one more strike. Please. Please, 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 please. Please, 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 please. I'm the crazy daredevil of my family. There's no way no one else in my family would want to do this. And now the rain's come down a bit, so it's not rain as heavy as it was before. I just got pissed on, so if I'm stuttering for a bit, I'm wiping my head off. When I say pissed, I mean I'm just getting drops of water on my face. Oh, darn it! I want to see one good clear strike of lightning. And if it comes to downpour again, yeehaw, honey. We stuck in business, baby. Ooh.